Hello friends, today we are going to be trying out the brand new machine pistol. I'll have to pick it up from my custom drop. I can't believe nobody landed here. But yeah, I'm hoping to get some eliminations with that gun. I know it's not the greatest gun for a BR setting, but I'm still down to try it out. So let's see what happens. Hearing steps over here. Alright, clearly not a real player. That's okay. Got somebody else here. Okay. Oh, more people. Nice. Good warm up here. Of course I get hit. The one time I'm asking the bot to shoot my car, not me. Feels like a pretty quiet game so far, but hopefully we'll have the custom drops coming down soon. Nobody saw that.
Incoming.
All right, here we have it. This is the base variant, so there is no camo or any blueprint here. I think it looks pretty cool.
Incoming.
It is a pistol though at the end of the day, so I'm not expecting the greatest aim when it comes to it. And there is my first elimination with this machine pistol. Not great, if I'm being completely honest. Not good at all. It doesn't do much damage. Now if you want to see the
Airdrop incoming.
attachments for this particular machine pistol I'm using, it should be up on the screen right now. If you know of better attachments for it, if you want me to try it with different attachments, you can let me know in the comment section.
Airdrop has been delivered.
I'll be more than happy to try out different loadouts for this weapon.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Oh, look at this guy. He's sneaky. I wonder who he was shooting. I'm not seeing anybody right away. But he had to be shooting somebody, right? Unless he got the kill for it. Okay, I just got naded on.
Airdrop incoming.
I don't know where from. There is another guy over there though, so... Oh, I see him.
Airdrop
He's up
has
there.
been delivered.
Oh. Somebody else is shooting at me. I'm gonna get down and heal first, because I can't see this other guy either. I'm still getting shot. Where is this guy? I'm a little confused here.
Airdrop incoming.
People are rotating in, so I'm just gonna go. Oh, there he is.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Easy elimination. I'm hearing shots over here as well. There's a lot of real players in this game. I'm enjoying it. Okay. Okay. Come on, come on. Let me out of there. I didn't think that guy was real. I thought it was just a bot. And of course... I'm having the worst aim. Surely I'm dead here, right? Wow. I can't believe I just survived both of those. Now we're talking. We're getting used to this now.
The safe zone is collapsing. Airdrop incoming.
That was intense. Goodbye. And I'm hearing shots this way. Now, if I had to recommend something, that would be to not use
The last 5 players.
a sniper with this machine pistol. I would use an AR or an LMG because there's no range on this gun. Absolute zero range. And if you don't hit your snipe, you're gonna die. Like I almost did then. So, just be careful. If you want to use a machine pistol, do not use it with just a sniper. You need another spray weapon. Unless you're good at sniping, obviously. Okay, so it's been top 3 for the longest time.
The safe zone is
I have
collapsing.
no clue where these guys are. Okay, I'm seeing some smoke up there, actually. Oh! Is that one of them? Yeah.
2 players left.
Bye.
Almost there.
One more. And the smoke, I mean, he has to be there, right? Well.
Be careful. A poltergeist
Oh,
is
he's
active.
invisible. Okay, that explains that. There he is. We have hit him. Let's finish him with the pistol. Come on. He's in here, but... There you go. There you go. Terrible pistol.